We work as co-counsel with other law firms on a frequent basis and different firms. I love it. I love having the interaction with different lawyers in different states and around town. I've worked as co-counsel in local counsel firms out of New York, out of Texas, California. I do a lot of co-counseling work, and Jacqueline now and I both do co-counseling with firms in Salt Lake. It's an exciting and interesting experience. I think it keeps things fresh. Sometimes we'll come in at the beginning because an attorney or a firm will have a case that comes in the door. They know, they can smell it's a good case, but they're not quite sure how to shepherd it through the whole process. And I will say this about employment law, it's a tricky business. And we work as co-counsel a lot with other firms from the beginning. When they get a case in, they're not quite as experienced or haven't done maybe as many particular types of the case. For example, I do a lot of work with other firms for Family Medical Leave Act and Americans with Disabilities Act, just because I've done a lot in that area. We come on as trial counsel for firms who have a case, they've taken it through the administrative process, they may have gotten their right to sue, and they're not quite sure what happens next. We've actually come on as co-counsel for some of the bigger firms in town who had a case on an hourly basis, realize it really is going to have to go to trial, and I think, which is the right thing to do, they will bring us in as co-counsel on a contingency fee basis, because we have more flexibility in how we do our work and the fee arrangements than may a big firm does. And so they will bring us in to sort of shift the load from the client, really. It gives the client a break and still presents them with good, educated, and capable counsel without necessarily having to really shift horses midstream.